DJN TV.
Kasala don burst as government try to reunite Janjibi school girls with their parents. My better somebody, I greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this our ogbonge video. This na DJM TV daily news update. That place where you for dey get better gist and story dem, even back up and follow up stories dem unto matters wey dey happen inside Nigeria and all around the world. If you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you do so right now. No forget to like and to share this video. Now, onto the matter wey dey shele for Zamfara State. Una remember I talk say we bring una news about how some woro people dey enter boarding school for Janjibi, carry some school girls, 279 of them, go inside bush, hold there, make government give them money before they go release the school girls. Well, we also bring una news say government don negotiate with them. We not know how they do, whether they pay money or they not pay money. But what we know be say them don't release the school girls. Now, after they release the school girls, get what they call a psychological evaluation. So they go carry them go the state capital for treatment for hospital and also for psychological evaluation. That's to check their mind, you know, that kind of thing, to check their mental health. May not, so that the thing no go, this kidnap issue, it no go affect them negatively. May not begin they feel bad. Not some of them go feel they get fear. Some feel not they feel sleep well for night. Sake of say what it don't happen to them. Now after the treatment and everything, government come send message, go give their parents, say we they carry una children, they call give una. So make all of una there for the school premises so that una go fit collect una children. So excitement, everybody they happy, you know that kind of thing. Hey, God to better they sweet the parents. They say finally their children they come home after how many days on the hands of captors. And some of them never poor before say they go see the girls. But last their children do the comers. So government, they know they use convoy, they carry the children, they reach the school. And the parents they expect as they just reach there, they go release the children again. They say, oh yeah, una carry una children go. But these Zamfara State government officials, then they call say no, they call carry the children inside their dining hall. Especially children they sit down. They need to give speech. And me and you know say government speech, they always start with this statement. I do not intend to make this very long. Let me just we're going to talk about this briefly. That if you be in Nigeria, you're going to say once we use that opening line, say this is not going to take very long. Let me try and summarize. You're going to say that story. You go sit down well because the story, the end, they quit the scene. So now clash go happen between the Zamfara State government officials. We go hand over the girls wey they release to their parents. The wahala start to be like say some people for the village come begin they throw stone at the government officials. When follow the student come for the handover ceremony. You know that kind of matter now. The girls wey they kidnap now, they carry that. I tell you, say they carry them, enter inside dining hall. After the number of days they don't stay for state capital, parents they are, you know, high spirits now, their blood they hot. Everybody, hey, their blood they hot. So they expect say they will carry the girls, just give them one side that bar. But this one, government just say they go first do some 1 or 2 discussion first before they go hand over the girls they give their parents. Well, some people they just say the reason why this Janjibi villagers they come begin they throw stones at the government officials now because say Oga Bubuto says Zamfara State now no fly zone because of the insecurity palaver. And also the government also approved the ban of all mining activities for inside that state. He said that to stop the increased rate of insecurity for the area. Well, another eyewitness of the area thought say, now because of the insistence of the officials to do a formal handover ceremony before parents go fit carry their children, they go as. And this now vex the villagers when they begin throw. So not because say Oga Bubu say Zamfara na no fly zone as some people they talk. As the matter they do, they come begin they throw stone. You know, the stone people. Now so now army officials are trying to avoid the gbege wey go burst, all those kind of thing. Now they open, you know that kind of thing now. They begin release groundnuts. They release groundnuts. Now so one person call belle one groundnut for ground. and then the guy belle the groundnut inside belle. Another 4 people come see chest am, that kind matter. All those ones don leg over, don cross for this matter. So I to say they can't release people, they can't carry and give their parents. Now it's not to another thing. People not feel they say not feel count how many people wey injure for the matter. One parent don say this thing dey vex us. We dey anxious, we wan see our children after many days. We wan know how our children dey do. What make you not say, okay, if na your pikin be come sit down near am, you say make all of us wait, una go do official speech, sing national anthem, give welcoming address, call 1 or 2 others to come and say their experience, do vote of thanks, snap picture, do all those kind of things then before they go hand over the children give us. One of the village come to say the parents dey insist say the girls make dem hand them over to the chief of the area, Atahiru Ahmed Anka, so that he go fit hand over the children they give their parents. Say this one, the officials dey not gree. Say they must finish their speech before they go do anything like that. Now one of the parents come to say, and they know say the road not good. They no even care. They won't keep us till, and na evening they take come. They won't keep us till night. Okay, if we can't come up for night again, these people where they kpake people can't kpake us with our children again. The rescue of our guests, no go make sense. Now this one the wahala take start inside the dining hall. As parents come begin, they grab their children, they come out for them. Even though say the official say no. So now we no go agree, we won't carry our children go. Officials they talk say, wait, we talk finish. Now there, then they come begin carry stone. The stone, and then the security officers begin face their machine face up, begin release bullets for up. You understand the matter? This is called vex people. They come begin the stone the convoy where they carry the House of Assembly Speaker Nasairu Magaria, and the stones there come begin the touch in motor. These things and I can make all of the vex. You understand the matter? Now, despite all this wahala wey happen, the girls and their parents they very happy. Say that finally they don't dey released. Like the girls they all dey free, while the parents they don't finally see their children. One of the students say she they happy when they don't feel rescue them from the hands of their captor. Say thank God, say God save them. Say for the experience, na very terrible experience, and she no go ever forget this experience for her whole life. And they got the answer say whether she go like resume and studies for the school. That same school there for kidnapper the first time. Whether she go like go so that the thing go happen the second time. She can't say, He says she not sure. Say, but her parents now go talk. Say, but even though say she not come back to this government secondary school, junior secondary school for girls for Janjibi. Say she dey sure say they go fit transfer her go another school sake of security. Another man wey be say her two daughters they rescued. Say they very happy to see 2 daughters. So he say when they kidnap the girls, he no cry. As a man, he no cry. He hold himself. He won't cry. People they cry, but he no cry. He said, but when he see the children when they release them, he no fit hold back his tears again. He said, in fact, now tears of joy, now fully eye as him they cry. Many people for international community don't condemn this packing of students for school. Not only for this Janjibi, even for Kankara, even for Kangara. For all the different states, whether for they move people for Niger State, for Bauchi State, they don't condemn this thing. They say the Nigerian government don't say, in fact, Nigerian government lack effective way of investigating the adoption of all these children, especially the 344 boys from the boys body school for Kankara for Katsina State for December 2020, when they call release after some few days. Now, what they happen now be say we dey very happy. Will not get me wrong. I dey very happy say they release this girl so. But what did they surprise me? I never know when I don't reason this thing. They go kpake. One person go bush, go follow the thought they go release. As if that the person I first send the message. We see that line when I give just now. But it makes sense, say, for the reunion, government will call the delay the parents. And you know that area now, you know they too safe. And they call for evening. And you know say government thing, they go do night Africa time. They no go quick come. They call for evening. And as they call for evening, so They not quick release the girls, give their parents, make them they go. Now the parents they shout say, I bet the one that talk don't do won't go as. It dey bad before they just hand over the girls, give them. Abi at the call they say no, we must talk finish, it good. Because you know say when you don't wait for something, you don't dey anxious, your spirit don't high, your blood don't high, you know that kind of matter. You do on a high level like this, when you see that thing, anybody won't stand on your way not to get that thing. Sometimes don't they rush the person. If you run enter the person life, you know the matter now. Now what happened to the parents that on the 3rd of March, when they release their children for them? Well, for me, the way the army got begin they release granite for everywhere, and that one not just sweet me for belly, because now for matter is supposed to be thing of joy. People don't see they cry because almost 5 people don't leg over for the matter. It not just make sense at all. It's supposed to be a thing of just say finally the girls they don't come house, but they don't go leg over 5 people for this matter now. It not make sense. Why you say I don't know your view concerning this matter? If you still shook my for the matter, put her for the comment section. But we self know waiting you did think. Well, this is not DJMTV Daily News Update, and we want to thank una well for all the time on until they watch our videos, for all of una who don't subscribe to our YouTube channel, for those of una who they follow us on Facebook, where they follow us on Instagram, where they like us on Twitter, where they follow us. We thank una well. We want to tell una say una fit still place una advert for DJMTV. They rest I should say it go there for all our channels, both for YouTube, for Facebook, Instagram, and for Twitter. And your product go reach the desired market. You understand the matter? Well, me when bring you this news, so my name is Lawu Favor, and I dey always tell una something. Say the security of this nation, now everybody concerned, whether you dey abroad or you dey Nigeria. So if you see anything, if you hear anything, I beg, may you open your mouth, may you talk. My people, una well done.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.